New introduction here. I want to get everybody's attention for what I feel will be a lucrative opportunity. It's the first ever NYSE marijuana IPO. We're making history here, and I feel this is just the first stepping stone in what is going to be the start of many IPOs on both the NASDAQ and the NYSE. I feel we're going to have a marijuana sector and marijuana ETFs in the future, and this is just step number one. If you are familiar with the industry, that's all I have to say. I know you're interested already. If this is new to you, this is going to be, in my opinion, the greatest financial opportunity in our lifetimes. This has never happened before. We have an established tens of billions dollar industry that the floodgates are going to open. It's becoming more and more legitimate legally, and this is just step number one. So Innovative Industrial Properties is the company. The ticker is IIPR. It is a real estate REIT that invests in medical marijuana facilities. And for this IPO, we have a new website, www.mjipo.com. I put together an hour of research video going through the filings, researching the company and the executives, and establishing a game plan, looking at some other IPOs and how they have traded. We're going to have a chat room with live Q&A during that day, Tuesday, November 22nd. And we'll also have the live webcam where I'll be showing our charts, going over, pointing out key support and resistance levels, looking at the volume that's coming in. I'm really looking forward to this opportunity. I hope you will join us. Thanks for tuning in. Let's get into the charts. Hey everybody, looking at natural gas starting on the weekly and zooming on in. We've got the inventory report tomorrow. Obviously, that's a big factor here in what the weekly chart will look like. But it is a nice bullish reversal candlestick. It is an inside candlestick. If you do not know what an inside candlestick is, head on over to my YouTube channel. I made a video on it last night. It's on the playlist. Trading Lessons, I believe is what it's called. But it's a very simple concept, and we've been seeing inside candlesticks on daily charts all over the place the last 5 days, and we've had some really nice trades off of them. Apple for the bulls today, NVDA for the bulls today. So check out that video. Very simple concept to utilize. So we're looking for a close pretty much here or better by the end of this week, and then next week we'll be looking to break the high of this week to give us an inside candlestick bullish break. Let's zoom into the daily time frame. So after the bearish day yesterday, the bulls showed back up. Nice solid green day. And our new higher low, we see our low built down here at 254, 255. Now we have a higher low, the low of today, 2669. And the bulls want to see a break of the high of yesterday, 2822, to see that higher low, higher high reversal play out, to see a bullish MACD cross on the daily, and to get this long overdue uptrend back and going. This is the 4-hour chart. On the verge of a bullish MACD cross after a short-term bearish MACD cross, and we need to continue that higher high pattern by breaking that high of yesterday. Keep an eye on volume. Volume has been significant for the bears. Volume doesn't really stand out significantly. It did have multiple candlesticks in a row for the bulls today, but you can see that big bear volume dump on the 4-hour chart. That's the highest the highest volume candlestick we've seen in 4 days, and it did belong to the bears. So the hourly time frame, slow and steady, trying to recover back to where we were, and bullish at this point. Let's see, we got this uptrend line obviously broken, but we can adjust that and make a new uptrend line to hit this new support level. So watching that uptrend, and we don't have a clear rejection at this point to draw a downtrend line. We've got obviously our high up here, but I would need to see one more clear pullback. This is where I would put it, but obviously that's very close to being broken. So I don't like that downtrend line there. There's not a clear second point to mark it off of, but this uptrend line is a good support to be watching. So tomorrow, the inventory report. Best case scenario for the bulls is a break of 2822 and continuation to the upside. If we do break that level of 2822, next level I'm looking at is 2875. So there could be some nice upside on a bullish reaction, especially coming off of oversold. RSI now up around 40 on the daily, looking for that bullish MACD cross, and we'll see if the inventory report gives the bulls the momentum they need to close out the week strong and to be looking good heading into next week. I appreciate you watching. We'll check back in tomorrow after the inventory report is digested. See you then.